there, in this video I want to show you how to use Apple Notes like a pro on the iPhone 15. Let's get started. Firstly, let's open this Notes application and you can already see my folders. So I have 2-day folders, previous 7 days, previous 30 days, and if I just go back, I would be able to see these 3 folders. Here I also added these receipts, and also we can use hashtags to find this note much more faster. So just type in something, use a hashtag, and after this don't forget to activate it using this space button, like this. And now you can scroll through the notes, just type in hashtag and you will be able to see all of your notes with this hashtag in it. You can also just search with the help of one word which is included in this note, like this. And here is how it works. Now let's create a new folder. For this I'm gonna tap this left icon and now I can rename it, for example, as personal. And also I can make into smart folder, so I include notes matching all filters or any filters, and here I can select text, create it, edit it, and many other features. So we have several options how to do this. When you will be done, just tap this done button and it will be saved as your smart note. Great. After this you can also create a new note using this button on the right side of the page. And what we got here. So here you can change the font style and font size. You can also use this list, for example, for your groceries. And also you can here just add this table, type in something, convert to text, share this table and copy this table. And of course you can delete it just by tapping this option. You can add photos in here and scan documents. This is a great feature which will allow you to save documents in a PDF format after you save them. Now you can also draw something in here, and also if you will draw like this and just hold your finger, it will make you a perfect drawing. Now you can also share this note with any friend, just use this button and you can send it to messages or any other application you have. You can copy this note, save image, assign to contact, markup and print. Great. After this we can tap on the 3 dots and you'll be able to see the scan document feature as well. You can also pin this note if it's important to you. Let's do it now. So let me show you how it will look. And here is your pinned folder. Now if we tap on the 3 dots again, we can lock this folder. For example, if you want to save here your passwords, you can easily lock this note and just type in your passcode each time you will be unlocking it. Also you can enable Face ID here, and let's check how it will look. Now it is unlocked, and if we just close an application and open it again, you'll see that this note is locked and we would need to enter the passcode to view this note or use a Face ID unlock. Great. Now let's close this application once more. Then let's open, for example, this one, and what we got here else. We can find something in this note if it's too big. You can move note, you can use lines and grids, attachment view, and use light background like this. So everything will be in dark mode and this one will be in a light mode. And that's it. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.